Look at the 8th question, children. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and volume of the air inside the dome. Okay. See children, in the question and all they are given rupees 2 per square meter. Nowadays with 2 rupees we will not get even one chocolate also. Okay. So this book is printed so many years back. That is the reason they are given rupees 2 and all. Okay. You will get in the question paper and all more than this 2 like that some big amount. Okay. So the method you must see that. Okay. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. So, it is in the shape of a hemisphere. What are the values given in this question? Only whitewashing they are given. Whitewashing in the cost of rupees 2 per square meter. The curved surface areas whitewashing only they are given, isn't it? Inside surface area. So, what will be the curved surface area of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square. So, 2 pi r square is the curved surface area. If r is the radius of the hemisphere dome and rupees 2 per square meter they are given, isn't it? So, what will be the cost of whitewashing? Rupees 2 per square meter, curved surface area into rupees 2. Okay, that value only they are given as 498.96. So, first from this we must find out the r square value. Then taking square root we will get the r value. So I must write let small r be the inner radius. Small r be the inner radius. Inside surface area equal to inside surface area. This is in the shape of a hemisphere. So, what will be the CSA of a hemisphere? Very good. 2 pi r square meter. Okay. Next write. Therefore, cost of whitewashing rupees 2 per meter square equal to what will come? Rupees 2 pi r square. This is the area. Area multiplied by 2, isn't it? Because 2 rupees only we are considering. So 2 2s are 4 pi r square. This much rupees. Rupees 4 pi. Cost is in rupees. Okay. So 4 pi r square rupees only we are getting for cost of whitewashing this one. That amount is given us in the question data by the given data or according to the question. Both same. Okay. According to the question, what is 4 pi r square? 4 pi r square they are given as 498.96. Okay. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 498.96, which implies r square equal to 498.96 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. We will get this as r square equal to 39.69 you will get. So square root of this as r is 6 6 are 36. So 6.3 approximately you will get. So radius is equal to this much meter. We will get the radius of this one. Then what are the two subdivision questions? Inside surface area of the dome. So r we got 6.3 meter. Using this r only we must find out the curved surface area as well as the volume. Okay. So write So from this calculation we got the value for R as 6.3 meter. Okay. Using this R value, first part of the question you see, inside surface area of the dough. So inside surface area. The formula is what? 2 pi R square. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R square, 6.3 into 6.3. You have to do the calculation. You will get the answer as 249.48 centimeter square. Sorry, meter square, because the value is in meter. So you will get this much meter square or square meter. Second part of the question, volume. So volume of chemisphere, what is the formula? 2 by 3 pi R cube. Is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. You will get the final answer as 523.908 meter cube. See question number 9. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s are melted to form a sphere with a surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere. And second part of the question, ratio of surface area of first one s and s dash. So S is representing by the surface area of an iron sphere with radius r. Isn't it? So first you write volume of 27 solid spheres each of radius r equal to 27 into, what is volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is same as 39 fours are 36 pi r cube. This is the volume of 27 solid spheres, each of radius r. Okay. So surface area of this one is represented by S. Okay. That let us see afterwards. So this is 36 pi r cube is the volume of 27 solid spheres, each of radius r. That is equal to what? That is melted to form a new sphere with the surface area S dash. Okay. So volume of 27 solid sphere equal to volume of a sphere of radius r dash. Okay. So volume of, in this according to the question what is given? Volume of 27 solid spheres with radius r, that is equal to volume of new sphere with a radius r dash. Okay. This is with radius r. This is with radius r dash. So volume of 27 solid sphere of radius r we got as 36 pi r cube. Isn't it? That is same as volume of a new sphere of radius r dash. So what is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi. Here the radius is r dash. Okay. So what you have to write? R dash the whole cube. Understood, children? Here r cube because the radius is r. Here new sphere with radius r dash. So we will get like this. So pi and pi get cancelled. Okay. 4 and 36 9 times. 9 into 3. So after simplification, 3 9s are 27 r cube is equal to r dash the whole cube. So we must find out the relation connecting r and r dash. For that we got 27 r cube equal to r dash the whole cube. Okay. So 27 is a perfect cube number. If you are taking the cube root on both sides, what will you get? Taking cube root on both sides, what you will get? 27 r cube equal to r1 dash cube, isn't it? So you will get 3r dash the whole cube is equal to, 3r the whole cube is equal to r dash the whole cube. Taking cube root on both sides, we will get 3r equal to 1 r dash. So the relation connecting the new radius and the old radius, 27 cubes radius, we got the relation as 3r equal to r dash. Next you must see the two subdivisions of the question. So first subdivision is radius r dash of the new sphere. R dash of the new sphere is what? R dash of the new sphere equal to 3 times the radius of the original one. Okay. So 3r equal to r dash, the first part of the question over. Now look at the second part. What will be the second part? Ratio of s and s dash. Ratio of s and s dash. So what is s? It is the surface area of a sphere of radius r. So s represents the surface area. S is equal to surface area of a sphere of radius r, isn't it? So 4 by 3, what you will get? 4 pi r square is the surface area of a sphere. Okay. S dash is the surface area of a sphere of radius r dash. Okay. S is the surface area of a sphere of radius r, that is 4 pi r square. S dash is the surface area of a sphere of radius r dash. Surface area of a sphere of radius r dash. So what will be the formula, children? 4 pi r dash the whole cube. But r dash we know that 3r. So substitute here, this is equal to 4 pi into 3r the whole cube. Whole square, because surface area is always 4 pi r square, not volume. Okay, 4 pi r dash the whole square, that is 4 pi into 3r the whole square, that is 3r the whole square is 9r square. 9 4s are 36 pi r square. So this is s dash. So they ask you to find out the ratio of s and s dash. So x by s dash is equal to what? Therefore s divided by s dash is equal to s is 4 pi r square divided by 36 pi r square. Pi r square and pi r square get cancelled. You will get 1 divided by 9, that is 1:9. Okay. So the ratio you will get 1:9. Question number 10 is a direct question. You have to try to do as a homework. So our surface area and volume, a big chapter, we are going to complete now. Okay. So we complete it now. 10th question you do as a homework. So whatever modules comes daily, you have to practice that. That base application sums must be there in the question. Okay. Exam pattern of questions. So you must only simply very few example questions and exercise questions are there. The formula you have to by heart it. Then nothing difficult in this chapter. Okay. All the best, children. Thank you very much.